Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement on your Dyson SV28, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a torque wrench, and a small brush for cleaning purposes. First, unplug the vacuum to ensure safety during the repair process. Start by removing the dust bin. Simply press the release button and pull the bin away from the main unit. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the outer casing of the vacuum. There are typically 6 screws located around the unit. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the casing off the vacuum. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws are out. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum with your small brush. This step is crucial as a clean environment helps when installing the new motor. Next, locate the motor assembly. You'll see it is secured with additional screws. Remove these using your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully disconnect any wiring harnesses attached to the motor. If you're unsure about the connections, take a picture for reference later. Remember, if you find this process challenging, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the old motor removed, take your new motor and place it into the motor housing. Reconnect the wiring harnesses as per your earlier reference. Ensure that everything is securely connected to avoid issues later on. Once the motor is in place, fasten it with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools for this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to handle repairs without the hassle of traveling. After securing the motor, it's time to reattach the outer casing. Align it properly and press it down gently. Reinsert the screws in the same order you removed them to ensure a proper fit. Tighten them with your torque wrench for a secure hold. Finally, reattach the dust bin and plug the vacuum back in to test the motor. If everything is working correctly, congratulations on a successful motor replacement. If you run into any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the motor on your Dyson SV28. Regular maintenance and timely repairs will extend the life of your vacuum, keeping it efficient and effective. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.